Hello everyone, it's Olivia. Today I'm drawing the bulb. Let's draw and paint together. Now I'm drawing a slightly elongated oval shape for the bulb. Then draw the eyes for fun. Inside the bulb, draw a wavy line to represent the filament. Draw a small rectangle or trapezoid shape below the bulb for the base. Make sure the base is wider than the bottom of the bulb. Our drawing is ready now. Let's color it. Yellow. Bulbs are like little suns inside our homes. Bulbs make it possible for us to read books, play games, and do homework even when it's nighttime. Bulbs come in all sorts of colors and shapes, just like candies. Some are round, some are long, and some even have funny shapes. It's like having a rainbow of light bulbs to choose from. Red. Gray. Wow! Our bulb looks amazing! Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video.